one sacrifice this year. Sorry, my fleas are acting up. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Twilight Shadow Raven Eclipse, Alpha of the Moonlight River Clan, and we're looking for new recruits to protect our territory on the playground from that filthy, stinky, treacherous cat clan. You're not interested? My eyes glow red with fury as my dark shadow powers surge through me. Of course, I'm an actual wolf. My human father owns Xbox and Fortnite, but my real dad's the Wolf King. Moonlight Eclipse 17 has a crushy-wushy on Jake, has dark shadow powers because I'm the princess of the Wolf Kingdom. Don't make me mad. Sees Marissa, the cat princess, talking to Jake. What is she doing with the future co-alpha of my pack? I hop over to them cutely, and Jake sees me falling in love with my grace and beauty. Hi, Jake, laughs cutely. Are you talking to Marissa? Not for long. I use my shadow wolf powers to create a dark, invisible wall between them, preventing them from talking to each other, and it works. No light magic can be used to destroy it, because it's made of the most powerful spells. You're mine.
Smoke up that kick bucket. Oh, he coming off way too pushy. I hope he don't think he was getting this pussy. He like his bitches psychotic. Sit on his face and explain why I'm tired.
Everybody quiet down. Some of us are trying to learn. We will be sorted into groups for small projects today. Teacher, I'd rather work alone. I can't. Fine, but at least don't put me with Marissa, the cat girl. Yeah, I see you. Meet me at the monkey bars during recess, and we will fight for the territory. You're my partner? Teacher, they're not one of the fellow wolves of my clan. Therefore, I refuse to talk to a silly little baka like them. I have to, or I'll get sent to the principal's office. Fine. What am I drawing? Mind your own business! Fine, I'll tell you. It's me and my crush Jake in our true wolf forms kissing under the moon. But it's not even that good. I know it has nothing to do with the project. Attention all wolves, old and new. Today is the day where we, the Wolf Clan, led by your alpha, Moonlight Bliss, will finally take down the wretched enemy Cat Clan. First, potion makers, I expect those strength formulas to be done so that they can help fuel our wolfy rage in battle. Second, healers, I want you out onto the field, ready to take back any of your fallen wolf siblings to our woods territory. And finally, us warriors, it is our duty to protect our non-four-legged friends of the playground from Marissa, the cat clan leader, and her stinky, smelly paws. We will come out of this fight victorious. Attack anyone who looks like they can utter a single meow. And if you get sent to the principal's office for biting somebody too hard, that is a sacrifice we must make. Wolf Clan, rise.
I live in a dorm and 2 people have already told me to shut up, but I'll do it anyway.
What are you doing back in the Twilight River Clan territory? I thought I told you, as the alpha of my clan, we don't take kindly to trespassers. You're lucky it's not a full moon. What are you doing here, you mere foolish human? You want a turn on the slides? Don't make me laugh. Slide access is only given to the highest ranking warriors of our pack, or else my name isn't Moonpod Twilight Eclipse. As a result of your treacherous failure, I think you'll suffice nicely for my next alpha wolf meal. Great, now you're crying and causing a scene.